Good luck.
1,000.
Phillies. All right, thank you, Pessy. Dice roll is a 3. Start with the teams. Quick one. 1, 2, 3. Mets at the top. 3 times. Your names. 1, 2, 3.
You gotta go opal hunting there, Demo.
Have fun, Demo.
Who did I get?
Who did
Marlins.
you get?
Oh,
Giants.
put yourself on the Marlins.
You got the Giants.
I got the Giants. I don't need to pay anybody.
Wow.
Who got the Pods?
William
Jimmy.
with the D-backs.
Jimmy, you got the
Jimmy
Padres.
with the Pods. Amazing with the O's. Good luck.
All right. Who
All
has
right.
the Yankee? McRae,
fish.
you choose HTA or Delight. You have 10 seconds.
Pods and Mariners. Jimmy's got the HTA sweats.
Jimmy has the. I mean, the Mariners. We'll go HTA first. I don't want to make Jimmy sweat that much.
Good luck.
It's not healthy for him.
Jimmy lives for the sweat.
Off the top. It's not a bad one. Little rhymer.
Here you go, Pessy. Some non-pay mojo.
Pitcher. This dude. It's a little scuff there on the top. I don't know if you can see it.
You even have the throwdown and discuss down. When you see the picture, you just throw the filler card.
I kind of like this one, Hawk.
Do you?
I kind of like this one.
Give it to him.
No, it's not him.
Straw.
Oh my gosh.
Thought he had it.
I thought because it was.
Yeah, no, the color border.
But once you see the black shoulder.
All right, at least Demo gets it. Nice hit,
Yeah,
mate.
great job, Demo.
Nice hit, mate. What's up, Lonnie?
All right.
LJ.
Youthquake off the back. Casas. See a gold Youthquake in there. Doglia. Nolan Jones. Can we go 3 for 3 back-to-back Rockies here?
Nolan Jones, a player.
Ooh, VR. I'm not.
The NL West
yeah.
rookies. How many you got of those?
How many does the trash have?
Too many.
Kershaw. Here's a nice refractor. Outman.
All the NL West rookies.
Meneses.
It's been fun, Lonnie. Take
For
your
Jimmy.
gamers.
Bang, Jimmy. Bang. Little DL Hall. Purple. True purple. Ooh.
Take that.
Little Riley. Who has
Well
William?
deserved, William. Well deserved.
Auto. Oh my gosh.
We've hit Diaz and Hall. Another mini diamond.
Cat. I mean,
He's actually good.
I know.
It's not maybe
But-
who you're
but
looking
it's-
for, but
it's
I bet this card is like $100.
really.
Yeah. Yiner Diaz mini diamond auto. I'm taking 100 or over. Let's see.
Hit of the break. Start with DL Hall, not the hit. Diaz. Riley Green on the variation. Another DL Hall is just all over this product. Meneses. Outman. Casas.
Yeah, look at this. Yiner Diaz green auto, 160.
Wow.
Base
Kendry.
Auto, his base autos are like $40.
This dude.
It's
How
got
old
to
is
be
this
100.
dude? 98.
Whew. As old as me.
Yeah. Jacob Reimer. That is the break. Reimer's young, actually. 04.
Yeah, he's apparently the guy you want for the Mets.
That's not.
People are going to learn about Yainer Diaz in the playoffs in a couple weeks when he's launching homers. Congrats to the hitters.